Hey detective, do you like solving mysteries? Then join us on an exciting quest to find the missing Unity Cup for Kwanzaa. Mrs. Appleby, a beloved teacher and community leader, gathered the children at the community center. As they lit the first candle on the kinara, symbolizing umoja, unity, she noticed with horror, the Unity Cup was missing. "Children," Mrs. Appleby said, her voice trembling, "our Unity Cup has disappeared. Without it, we can't properly celebrate Kwanzaa. We need to find it before the end of the night." The children gasped. The Unity Cup, or Kikombe cha Umoja, wasn't just any cup. It represented family and community unity. Without it, the celebrations would feel incomplete. Now, young detectives, it's up to you. Remember Umoja, work together just like our community stays united. Kujichagulia, believe in yourself and your ability to solve this mystery. Ujima, if you all work together, you'll find the Unity Cup faster. In the craft room, remember Ujima, share information and resources to solve this case. Nia, our purpose tonight is clear. We must find the Unity Cup to continue our celebration. Kumba, think outside the box about where it could be hidden. And Imani, have faith that you can find the Unity Cup if you keep trying. Let's embark on this exciting adventure and bring back the Unity Cup to make our Kwanzaa celebration complete.